Use a disinfectant to disinfect your hands after washing your hands. Wash the tabletop on which the test will be performed. Bring the test components to room temperature 20-25 degrees centigrade. Tear open the foil bag, take out the test card, and use it as soon as possible within 1 hour. Do not use the kit if the pouch is punctured or not well sealed. Do not touch the reaction area of the test cassette. Do not touch the sampling tip of the nasal swab. Insert the nasal swab into the left nostril to a depth of 2.5 centimeters, 1 inch, from the edge of the nostril. Rotate the nasal swab on the nostril wall, mucous membrane, 5 times to ensure adequate sampling. Repeat the process in the right nostril with the same nasal swab, collecting from both nasal passages to ensure an adequate sample. Twist off the cap of the sample treatment tube and remove the inner blue stopper. Insert the treatment tube into the hole of the kit, or use other items to hold the treatment tube in place. Place the swab sample into the tube. Then break the swab at the swab node and leave the lower half in the treatment tube. Close the cap. Squeeze the swab 10 times in the test tube. Then wait for 1 minute of sample reaction. Unscrew the terminal at the top of the cap. Each sample well of the test card requires 2 drops, about 60 microliter, of the treated sample solution. The test card is kept at room temperature for 15 minutes to observe the test results, but the observation results over 20 minutes were invalid. The color of the test line, T line, A line or B line, and control line, C line, means positive test result. Note, it does not matter the line, T, line A or line B is lighter or darker than the other two, the result is positive. If you have a positive result, follow the guidance from your local state or territory health department for guidance on confirmation testing if necessary, and if unwell seek medical assistance. Only the control line, C line, showing color means the test result is negative. If you have a negative result, follow the guidance from your local state or territory health department for guidance on confirmation testing if necessary, and if unwell seek medical assistance. If you see no line appearing on the top half, the test is invalid. It is recommended to repeat the test from collecting a new nasal swab. After test is completed, put all test kit materials into the waste bag. Lock the bag well. Dispose used kit materials in household waste.